Good day, everyone. I am Shara Claire Narciso Isidro, a BS Ed 1C student of University of Antique. I am here today to discuss about public speaking. What is public speaking? Public speaking is a process, an art, and an act of making a speech before the audience. It is the process of speaking to a group of people in a structured, deliberate manner intended to inform, influence, or entertain the listeners. The first rules of public speech by Aristotle. There are three important factors of public speaking. The first one is the ethos. Ethos is the credibility of the speaker. The second one is the logos. Logos is the logical arrangement of words of sentences. The third one is the pathos. Pathos is the ability to create connection between the speaker and the audience. Cicero's 5 canons of rhetoric. The first one is the invention. Invention is the developing of the ideas. Second one is the arrangement. Arrangement is the creations of the structures. The third one is the style. Style is the process of determining how to present an argument. Memory, the process of learning and memorizing the speech and making it natural. Delivery, it is the effective use of voice and body language. How to prepare a public speech. There are things that precedes writing a speech. Meditate upon the topic. Collect, get various dimensions of the topic through our own experiences, famous scholars and books, websites, and discussions. Framing a speech includes introduction, body, and conclusion. Introduction, gain attention in the opening. It can be done by humor, quotations, questions, and songs. Introduction should indicate your topic. Body, elaborate the subject. Division of the subject. Emphasize the changes between the divisions. Put relevant examples to support your stand. Conclusion, restate the subject. Summarizes the key points. Give a statement of the conclusion or the main message. How to present a successful public speech. Some of the factors are out of the speakers. However, the remaining 98% of the success will depend on how well the presenter follows the presentation, practice, and performance. Must-dos in a public speaking. You must smile and have fun. Speak loud. Relax. Be yourself. Know your audience. Be confident. Claim attention. Wrap up your speech on time. Be flexible. Connect with your people during the presentation. Face your audience. Use more gestures and use simple and understandable language. Don'ts in a public speaking. Do not fear. Do not rush through your presentation. Do not stick your tongue, or rather your hands in your pockets. Do not underestimate your audience. Do not point fingers. Do not hurt people's feelings. Do not dictate. Avoid unbecoming language. Avoid repetition of the words or phrase. Do not put up an aggressive face. Don't make things which you are not sure about. Factors influencing a public speaking. The positive outcome of the speech does not depend solely on the oratory skills of the speaker. It is influenced by the factors such as the topic of the presentation, the attitude of the audience, the quality of material, thorough knowledge about the matter, the length of the speech, body language, supporting pictograms and diagrams, pitch variation, and many more. Public speaking in business world. Public speaking skills help you communicate important messages inside and outside of the organization. Public speaking in a business world is critical as managers should communicate what they are thinking in a clear manner, which, if not, can turn into a big loss. A manager should know his audience as the business works with diverse employees. Most of all, public speaking skills are able to ask questions, state what your organization needs, represent a position on an issue, respond to other people's opinions, and build consensus. If you cannot communicate clearly and motivate others through public speaking, it will be harder to realize your goals for your business. Why is good public speaking important to the business world? Why is public speaking important in an organization is because a one of manager role deals with the motivation of employees. It is because a good speech can inspire people to improve their performance to achieve their goals. Good public speaking is important for several reasons. First one, bad presentations are an opportunity lost. Bad presentations can hurt your organization. A good presentation can change the world. A good public speaking can create enormous opportunities for innovation and healthy competition amongst the employees. Thank you for your attention. Thank you, everyone.